How to fix not receiving MMS messages in Poco X8 Pro. First of all, clear app cache and data. Open setting now. In settings, scroll down, click on apps. Now here you will see app search, messages app. Now click on messages app, scroll down. Now here you will see two options, clear data and clear default. And if you want to clear cache, then click on clear default. After click on clear default, messages will be clear cache from your phone. And if you want to clear data, then click on clear data. After click on clear data, messages app data will be clear from your phone. Now go back. After that, restart device. Press and hold volume up and power button same time. Now here you will see two options, power off or reboot. And if you want to restart device, then this icon swipe down. After swipe down this icon, restart device. This is how you can fix not receiving MMS messages in Poco X8 Pro. I hope so you like this video, and thanks for watching this video.